Morning class, I am your computer teacher of class 8. Today I will continue the reading of chapter number 1 on page number 8. Open page number 8. Now, network topology. And topology refers to both the physical and logical layout of a network. The physical topology of a network refers to the actual layout of the computer cables and other network devices. The logical topology of a network, on the other hand, refers to the way in which the network appears to the devices that uses. There are different types of topology. Bus topology. In a bus topology, all the nodes are directly connected to a single communication cable. The nodes keep on sending data all the time. If two nodes send data at the same time and data collides, each node, after waiting for a small random amount of time, sends it again. Advantages and disadvantages of the bus topology. Advantages of bus topology. First, compared to other topologies, a bus is cheap and easy to implement. Second, requires less cable than other topologies. Third, does not use any specialized network equipment. Disadvantages of bus topology. First, there might be network disruption when computers are added or removed. Second, all systems on the network connect to a single backbone. A break in the cable will prevent all systems from accessing the network. Third, difficult to manage. Ring topology. The ring topology is actually a logical ring, means that the data travels in circular fashion from one computer to another on the network. It is not a physical ring topology. Advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. Advantages of ring topology. First, cable faults are easily located, making troubleshooting easier. Ring networks are moderately easy to install. Disadvantages of ring topology. First, expansion to the network can cause network disruption. Come to page number 9. Third is, if a node fails, the entire network stops functioning. Star topology. In the star topology, all computers and other network devices connect to a central device called a hub or switch. Each connected device requires a single cable to be connected to the hub, creating a point-to-point connection between the device and the hub. Advantages and disadvantages of the star topology. Advantages of star topology. First, star networks are easily expanded without disruption to the network. Second, cable failure affects only a single user. Third, easy to troubleshoot and isolate problems. Disadvantages of star topology. First, requires more cable than most of the other topologies. Second, a central connecting device that allows for a single point of failures. Third, most difficult than other topologies to implement. Now, mesh topology. The mesh topology incorporates a unique network design in which each computer on the network connects to every other device on the network. The purpose of the mesh design is to provide a high level of redundancy. If one network cable fails, the data always has an alternative path to get its destination. As you can see from figure, the wiring for a mesh network can be very complicated. Further, the cabling costs associated with the mesh topology can be high, and troubleshooting a failed cable can be tricky. Most of this, the mesh topology is rarely used. Advantages and disadvantages of the mesh topology. Advantages of mesh topology. First, provides redundant paths between devices. Second, the network can expand it without disruption to current users. Disadvantages of mesh topology. First, requires more cable than other LAN topologies. Second, complicated implementation. Now, last is tree topology. A tree topology combines characteristics of linear bus and star topologies. It consists of groups of star configured workstations connected to a linear bus backbone cable. Tree topologies follow expansion of an existing network and enable schools to configure a network to meet their needs. This hybrid approach supports future expandability of the network much better than a bus or a state alone. Advantages and disadvantages of the tree topology. Advantages of tree topology. First, point-to-point wiring for individual segments. Second, supported by several hardware and software vendors. Disadvantages of tree topology. First, overall length of each segment is limited by the type of cable used. Second, more difficult to configure and wire than other topologies. Now, disadvantages of network. Networking with more of advantages also has some disadvantages given below. First, if server develops a fault, users may not be able to run the application program. Second, a fault in the network can cause user to lose the data. Third, if the network stops operating, then it may not be possible to access to various computers. Fourth, it is difficult to make the system secure from hackers, novices, or industrial espionage. Fifth, decisions on resource planning tend to become centralized. Sixth, networks that have grown with little thought can be inefficient in the long term. Seventh, as traffic increases on a network, the performance degrades unless it is designed properly. Eighth, the larger the network becomes, the difficult it is to manage. So this is the reading of the chapter. The reading is completed. This is the notes. You have to read this and you have to read up to last page. In the next session, I will explain this chapter. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.